beautiful day today. Today's my last day of riding. Well, almost. I've got a really long day, like 50 miles to get to Kona. I'm gonna eat some food, scout up my route, and get packed up. Let's see what the road has in store for us today. A quick ride to the Malama market and I'm back on the road. I'm gonna go get some groceries, maybe a little bit of ice, and start making my way along a long stretch that probably won't have anything for about 20 miles. Earlier, I had a guy ask me where I was going, and he said that my story was really inspirational. And coincidence, that's exactly what I was kind of going for. I hope that everybody watching this wants to get out and try an adventure. It's really fun. District of South Kona, almost to Kona. Well, not really, 40 more miles. A few hundred acres of macadamia nut trees. If you ever wondered where they came from, here they are. Man, today the shoulder is narrow and this fog is just choking me out. You see these a lot on the island of Maui, but not here on the Big Island. This is an unmanned fruit stand with some delicious looking fruit and nobody there to run it. Just based on an honor system. Yeah, today's a little slow going, but hopefully the fog clears up. It's not too bad, but it's taking its toll. Ate the other half of my bagel, drank some water, I'm ready to hit the road again. What better way for the island to welcome me past the desert than a little bit of rain again? That's okay. I'm starting to like the rain. It kind of clears up the fog. For anybody wondering what fog, smells and tastes like, it's kind of like if you left a propane burner on way too long, kind of like that. Maybe just a little touch of burnt brakes in there with it. Not my favorite smell, but so far one of my favorite bike tours. The downhills sure do make those uphills worth it. 5 miles in, 20 to go. Controlled bike lane. This is kind of nice. Made it to the Fujihara store. Ate a hot dog, some of the snacks I brought with me, and talked to some surveyors. Said they had just gone and surveyed the campground that I'm headed to. They said I got nothing but big hills ahead of me, and I should be safe because this is probably the most dangerous part of the island. So, I'll do just that. I love sneaking through road construction when everybody's just packed and stopped and they flag you on through on the bicycle. That's a small perk, I guess. I'm out here in the middle of the Kona coffee farm. Actually several farms, all cranking out the coffee. You can just see the coffee beans growing off the vine next to the road here. It can be interesting to see where our food comes from. Quick stop here at the Royal Kona Museum. I only got 12 miles to go. I'm here at the Ohana warehouse. Thought I'd stop and get another drink before I head down the hill. All right, only a little bit left on the road. Let's make it to Kona. I'm just gonna hide under my hat and pretend it's not raining. Another 2 miles of climbing in the rain. It just means I'm getting closer to the top. Made it into South Kona. I'm still up country, but I'm heading downhill finally. Oh my God. I am so ready to go downhill. Oh, now this looks like it's gonna be fun. Oh, hell yeah. That's only the second time I've broke 40 on this whole trip. That feels good to really open it up and you make some good time. Oh, well, I pretty much made it to town. That was a heck of a descent. That was really fun. I got about 3 miles left. I'm about 40 miles in. I can't wait to get to camp. Even if it's just a patch of dirt, I'm gonna be glad to call it home. Yeah, I think this is it. A few different tent sites to choose from. I'm gonna take this little one up here. Looks like it'll be nice and private. Well, that was quite a day. I'm really glad to be done riding. It was beautiful, but after about 40 miles, I was pretty ready to be done. I got camp set up. I'm staying here for 2 nights so that I can relax before I head to Maui to visit my mom. I'm gonna get dressed, go find some food. Took a quick trip through town. Oh, there wasn't a whole lot open, so I got some stuff from a grocery store. Yet another super healthy meal. Today was a long day. About 45 miles, I think. And rain and sun. And after this long, I'm kind of used to it. I'm feeling that bittersweet feeling when you get towards the end of a tour. It was amazing to plan it. It was just a spectacular actual experience. But now, it's almost over. I met all sorts of amazing people and saw some really impressive sights. And it's all memories that I'll never forget. Adventuring is something that everybody should get out there and do because it's the memories that you're gonna hold on to for the rest of your life.